What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking for an amazing lip mask for sleeping that's gonna hydrate, plump, and get rid of those rough chapped lips, you're gonna wanna check out this one. Handmade Heroes Cocoalicious Buchi Oil Sleeping Lip Mask. The smell of it is delicious. Botanical blend that includes jojoba oil, coconut oil, and buchi oil. When the brand gifted me this, I was like, yeah, it's a lip oil, okay. And then I started using it. Well, let me tell you, I am hooked. And it doesn't have a weird taste. Now, if you're someone who has dry, cracked lips often, you know that a lot of these balms claim to be able to do something, but they really just sit there and look greasy. My lips are so hydrated by using this. Absolutely have noticed the impact of sleeping with this on at night. Now, is it just for sleeping? No, I like to keep this in my pocket because it has become my favorite lip moisturizer. In this Northern Ontario climate where I live, where it's always super dry in the wintertime, really hard to keep your lips from not being chapped, this has become a little secret weapon in my pocket. It is definitely thick in consistency, you can see that, but when you put it on, it melts into your lips. It doesn't feel greasy, it isn't sticky, and it does not feel thick on my lips. Look at that. Used during the daytime, it gives your lips a subtle sheen that is kind of like a gloss, but really more about just giving vibrant, healthy, plump, and juicy. The difference is it's actually hydrating while you wear it and not just looking glossy and shiny. So if you're looking for a natural fix for flaky lips, one that's based in botanicals and rich hydrating oils that you can get from plants, and something that you can either wear overnight to help moisturize or under your favorite lipstick or gloss, Handmade Heroes Buchi Oil Lip Mask, definitely a family favorite at my house.